Ito pa Facebook account ko. Mga tao palagi dito, boy.
Off mic, off mic.
Okay.
Sabi ka lang pag ready ka na.
Sabi, English lahat to nasulat. Tapos
Sige lang,
Tagalog.
itatagalog ko. Itatagalog yung question. Pwede mo man sagutin ng Tagalog.
Tapos answer ko, English, ganun.
Okay lang yan. Pwede mo man i-Tagalog. Okay lang Tagalog.
Wala na eh, English na nakalagay dito eh.
Sige lang.
Okay.
Ano, ready ka na?
Okay.
Okay.
Wala na, pangit English ko ah.
Sige lang, hayaan mo na. Okay lang yan. G lang yan.
Okay. Grabe,
Okay,
haba
so,
po nito.
okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Naka-record na? Okay, naka-record na. So, good evening. My name is Salman Kigialalodin from grade 12 Aristotle. So, I am very thankful for you for accepting our request for this interview. So, first of all, can you introduce yourself, your name, your age, and then your grade?
Hello, good evening. My name is Aljamir Suenji Letsak and I'm 13 years old and I'm from grade 8 Pythagoras.
Okay. So, first question. What's your perspective regarding the haircut policy? Kumbaga, ano yung view mo regarding dun sa haircut policy? Like, anong paningin mo? Like, anong pagkakaintindi mo sa haircut policy? Based sa mga experience mo, ganun.
My perspective regarding about the haircut policy is that we should give students to choose their own hairstyle as some which is insecure about their face shape, hair, and etc. Basta yun. For male, can be as long as 6 inch at the peak of length. And for the female, is that as long as it doesn't not go below the shoulder, as it can make them look unformed. And for the female Muslim, they should wear a hijab always to hide their aurat.
Okay. So, second question.
Okay po.
What do you observe ever since the policy is implemented? Kumbaga, ano yung mga napansin mo simula nung nalaman mo or nung na-implement yung haircut policy?
The policy does affect me sometimes, but not overall. Though I hope that they would consider giving us students for having some longer haircuts. Wala lang, trip lang to. Ay,
Okay. So,
wait lang, doon na. Hindi yan.
okay, so let us move on to the third question. How does the policy make you feel on your daily basis? Kumbaga, anong pinaparamdam sa'yo nung haircut policy sa pang-araw-araw? Like negative ba, positive, nakakalungkot, nakakatuwa, ganun?
The policy doesn't make me feel any hatred towards the policy. But I hope that we male student could express our hair like I said, that one may be insecure about their face, shape, or hair.
Okay. So, fourth question. Have you observed any changes in your self-perception due to the haircut policy? Kumbaga, may napansin ka bang pagbabago sa paningin mo sa sarili mo dahil doon sa haircut policy?
I have observed saglit. I have observed not for myself but for others that they become insecure about their hair because some people bully them just for their hair. That's why I define the student who didn't want their hair to their hair cotton.
Okay, so Fifth question. Have you observed any changes to your social interactions due to the haircut policy? Kumbaga may napansin ka bang pagbabago sa social interactions mo like pakikipag-interact mo sa mga tao dahil doon sa haircut policy? Ganun.
Opo, yes po, opo, meron. Kasi nakakahiya rin. Alam mo yung pangit ng buhok mo, tapos pinapahiya ka pa ng mga iba dahil nga sa buhok mo, tapos ang pangit pa. Yun lang po.
Okay, okay. So, sixth question. Have you observed any changes to your emotional and psychological being due to the haircut policy? Kumbaga may napansin ka bang pagbabago sa emotional and psychological state mo like yung mental health mo, like nalulungkot ka ba kasi dahil dun sa haircut policy kailangan ganito yung haircut mo, like anong mga naramdaman mo? Like gano'n.
Hmm, hindi naman ako nalulungkot, pero parang ano lang, nahihiya para sa akin. Dahil nga ginugupitan ng buhok ko, ayaw ko naman, tas ang pangit pa. Ayun lang, nahihiya lang po.
So more like nakakababa ng self-confidence, ganun ba?
Opo, yun lang po.
Okay, okay. So, last question. How do you think the policy affects your overall school experience? Kumbaga, paano ba naapektuhan or paano ba naaapektuhan ng haircut policy yung school experience mo?
Naapektuhan po ako kasi nabubully din po ako, eh, dahil nga sa gupit ko. Ang pangit, eh. Siyempre sino hindi rin mabubully dun, ayun lang.
Okay, okay. So, again, we are very thankful for you for accepting this um, request for an interview. So, we also apologize for disturbing your evening. That is all. Thank you. You may leave if you want to. So, yun. Next interview na tayo. Ikat nyo na, ikat nyo.